In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SEMrush with KeyClusters to create topical keyword groups that you can build your content strategy around. Let's jump in. So here we are in SEMrush's keyword magic tool, and for the purpose of this video to illustrate how the clustering works, let's assume we're an affiliate marketer and we're trying to target the kayaking niche. So one might type in kayak and kayaks into the magic tool and see what SEMrush says. So SEMrush has found 433,000 potential keywords related to our keyword phrases kayak and kayaks, which is obviously far too many to analyze manually or even with a clustering tool. However, we know this is an affiliate marketer and hence they'd be really interested in commercial related keywords. So we could go to the Include modifier, select any keywords and put in best. Okay, and so what you can see here are all of the keywords with best in them, and as no surprise, many of these are commercial oriented keywords, so best fishing kayaks, best inflatable kayaks, best kayaks for beginners, and so on. It's a great list, but it's still nearly 14,000 keywords long, which is huge and too big to analyze manually. You could certainly cluster this, and if you wanted to, you would need to export the file over here. However, I want to kind of get this list a little bit smaller, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a volume modifier, and I'm going to say, look, I only want to see keywords that have at least 20 search volume every month. So I'm going to run that analysis. Okay, so here you can see that SEMrush has found nearly 1,500 keywords, which is a good number to cluster. So at this stage, you want to export the data from SEMrush. You hit the export button on the right hand side here. You want all the data, and this is really important. You want it in a CSV file format. The other formats will not pass, the data won't pass through our system in KeyClusters. So select CSV and don't check the keep grouping box. That will download the file, and at that point you can jump across to KeyClusters. So this is the dashboard of KeyClusters, and to run this analysis you would hit New up at the top here. You'd select the data source, in this case it's SEMrush. You can give it a title, whatever you like, and then go find the file and upload it. So here's the file. And then finally, decide what geography you want to geolocate your SERP results in. So the default is the United States, but if you're looking to target traffic in the United Kingdom or various other countries, you can choose from the drop down whatever country you want. And you can also choose the device that you want to run the SERP analysis on. Obviously, Google presents results differently on mobile than in desktop. So in this case, I'll run it in desktop and launch your job. So this is the KeyClusters file. It consists of 4 columns. Column 1 is the primary keyword. Column 2, the aggregated volume of the primary keyword and all the keyword variations associated with that primary keyword. And we'll have a look at those in more detail in a second. Column 3, or C, is the keyword difficulty, and that's the keyword difficulty as it relates to the primary keyword. And then column D is where all the clustering magic has happened, and you can see here are all of the potential keywords that the same page can rank for, so we know we don't have to write an article on the best freshwater fishing kayak because Google thinks that's the same as best fishing kayak or the best compact fishing kayak, and so on. All of those keywords could potentially, the same page could potentially rank for them. Every line here is an individual article, so best fishing kayaks, best kayak, best inflatable kayak, and as you can see they're all unique and all have unique keyword variations. We uploaded around 1,400 keywords, and you can see KeyClusters has provided hundreds of keyword ideas, but as you get lower down the list, the number of keyword variations get smaller because the keywords are now very long tail. So that's KeyClusters and how you use it with SEMrush. I'm sure you can see how powerful this tool is and how quickly you can analyze a niche, develop topical clusters, and generate a full architecture for your site. If you've got any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Email us at support@keyclusters.com. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy using the tool. Cheers.